Well, everyone is talking about a New Year's resolution. And guess what? I made a routine for myself for 2023. And in this video, we are going to go through everything regarding goal setting, new habits, and many more. So, my goals for 2023 are: number 1, sleep on time. I am aiming for 6 hours of sleep each night because the reason is simple. I make a routine for 2023 how much hours I have to sleep, and also I have to take care of my health. So sleep on time. Number 2, junk food. I also love eating junk food like noodles, chow mein, hot dog, burger, and the list goes on. However, we all know it's not good for our health. However, we keep eating. Now the reason, when you stop eating junk food, you may feel more energized, a better mood, more focus, and maintain a healthy body. I know I can. However, I would try to avoid eating junk food. 3. Drink water. When you wake up in the early morning, drink 2 or 3 glasses of water. Getting enough water every day is important for your health. So keep your body hydrated and drink water. Number 4, eating healthy fruits. I want to stay fit. I want to stay healthy in 2023. So I want to eat healthy fruits like apple, banana, egg, bread. And the reason is simple. I just want to stay fit and healthy. I am planning something huge and I want to save my money. Moreover, I would spend my money only if it is necessary. In 2023, I want to travel different places that I have never seen before in my life. Moreover, I know I have a free time, so I would go for a walk in the evening. And especially on Sunday, definitely I would go for a walk. Moreover, as soon as possible, I would try my best to update a video on YouTube. Thanks a bunch to each and everyone for watching my video. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe it. And I hope you love this video. And I'll see you soon. So take care. Love you all.